Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for user profile UI in React. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with AWS Cognito for a user profile UI in React, you need to follow a series of steps. First, create an AWS account if you don't already have one. Once logged into the AWS Management Console, navigate to the Cognito service. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select Create a User Pool and give your pool a name. Next, configure your user pool settings according to your application's needs. Ensure you enable the appropriate sign-in options, such as email or phone number. Once the user pool is created, make a note of the user pool ID and the app client ID. Now, navigate to App Client Settings in your user pool. Create a new app client and remember to uncheck the Generate Client Secret option. Take note of the app client ID for later use in your React application. Head to your React application and install the AWS Amplify library by running npm install AWS Amplify. Next, configure AWS Amplify in your React application. Import the Amplify library and create a configuration object using your user pool ID and app client ID. Use amplify.configure to apply the configuration settings. Create a user registration form in your UI using React components. Handle user input and collect information like username, email, and password. Implement a registration handler function that uses author signup from the AWS Amplify library. Once the user is registered, you can implement a sign-in function using author sign-in. Create a login form similar to your registration form. Handle the login process and authenticate users when they submit their credentials. After successful login, redirect users to their profile page. Now, create a user profile page where you can display user information. Use the author current authenticated user method to fetch user data. Display user attributes like username and email on the profile page. Implement a logout function using author signout to allow users to log out easily. Test the entire authentication flow to ensure everything works seamlessly. Make any adjustments to improve user experience and interface design. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.